In today's video, I'll show you how to create your first Miro board, your very own digital workspace for brainstorming, planning, or collaborating with your team. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials that help you work smart. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Miro account. Once you're in, you land on your dashboard, which acts as your personal command center. Here you can see all your previous projects and boards, or start a brand new one. To create a new board, click the Create New button and choose Board from the drop-down menu. This will instantly open a fresh blank board in a new tab. You will now have a clean digital canvas ready for ideas, notes, and diagrams. If you are collaborating with a team, you can also assign the board to a specific team or workspace. This step isn't required, but it helps keep everything organized and easily accessible for your collaborators. Before you start building, take a quick moment to rename your board. You can do this by clicking the title in the top left corner and typing in a clear descriptive name. A good title makes it easy to locate your board later, especially if you're managing multiple projects. And that's it, you've successfully created your Miro board. From here, you can start adding sticky notes, templates, flowcharts, and images to bring your ideas to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Miro how-to videos. Happy creating!